Hey Geek, so today I want to talk about the YouTube algorithm and, well, basically the reality of the YouTube algorithm. Because if you're just starting out, you probably hear a lot of different things, how it is about the content, it is about your audience, and the YouTube algorithm does play a big part, but I think a lot of times as you're watching it, there's so many things thrown at you that you might be confused on what YouTube really wants. And I'm here to show you today with some proof that the YouTube algorithm is the main thing. And then I'm going to talk about content and audience and so forth. Now, if you don't know, I uploaded my very first video in 2013. And so at the time this video is 2023. So I've been doing YouTube for quite a while now, and I have seen a lot of things, a lot of ups and downs. So this is just going to be my own personal experience and thoughts. So here we're actually on my channel. You could actually go see this yourself. And over the years, there's lots of different changes, many different factors and variables. But this is the one time that I could show you unequivocally that the YouTube algorithm is what YouTube favors the most. And so if you go to my channel, you go to videos, these are my normal videos. And as you see, the views, they aren't that high, but this isn't really anything new for my channel. And in the past, I have gotten more views from my videos. But now let me show you the other types of videos that get way more views, and that is my YouTube Shorts videos. Even though objectively the quality of my longer videos are a lot better, they take more time, they're more well produced and edited, they don't compare to my YouTube Shorts videos, which get way more views, they get pushed more by the YouTube algorithm. So that's why I could say unequivocally, when it comes to what really YouTube wants is things that actually favor the YouTube algorithm or whatever the YouTube algorithm is pushing. And if you actually go to the main page of YouTube, YouTube Shorts are prominently displayed. And most of what you see as the ones that are at the top are typically entertainment-based videos. And this is nothing new because network television has been doing this for a long time. But what is new with technology is whatever the algorithm wants you to watch, but also as a content creator, what it wants you to create. And obviously YouTube Shorts is really big because of TikTok. So there is a business reason for why this is being done. And then I have other YouTube channels as well. So this is my gaming channel, and it's pretty much the same thing. These are my main regular videos, and every now and then I will have a video that pops. But if I go to my YouTube Shorts, they typically get way more views, and it's basically the same story for my other channels as well. So after seeing all of this, you're probably thinking as a new creator that it's all about the YouTube algorithm. And I wouldn't blame you for thinking that, especially if you have a channel that's simply not growing, not getting the views, and so forth. And even though that would be a simple answer to that, it's not quite as simple as you think, because as you do YouTube or any other platform where you are creating, you have to think about the long term, and that's where the whole content quality and community argument comes in. Now, I, like most of you, whenever I started YouTube, I started looking for channels on how to create YouTube channels, how to grow, how to get reviews, and all of those things. And now there's way more channels about that. And typically these channels, they did grow or they got picked up by the YouTube algorithm. And then they were able to make videos that pretty much talk mostly about trying to do what triggers the YouTube algorithm. But I would like to talk about the long-term stuff, because this is where I feel content quality and your community is going to be the most important, because the one thing that we definitely cannot control is the YouTube algorithm. For now, it's YouTube Shorts. In the past, it was prank videos, it was channels who were large, it was more humor-based stuff. There's a lot of changes over time, longer videos, shorter videos. The algorithm is always changing, and once YouTube Shorts or short videos are no longer the hot thing, i.e. it's not making them money with advertisers and so forth, then they're going to change the algorithm again and it's going to go to something else. But the things that you can definitely control is the content quality, the type of content that you produce, and then over time, building a community that actually appreciates that content. And that's why I'm still a big believer in focusing on the quality and your community. But I also understand that the algorithm is super important. So in general, if you do want to grow faster, okay, you want more views, you want more subscribers, then you probably want to focus more on these tips, tricks, advice that actually would trigger the YouTube algorithm. But if you actually want to focus on the content quality, your production, your community, all the creative aspects, the long-term stuff, that's really what I'm focused on, because the reality is I don't know what triggers the YouTube algorithm, because if I did, my channel would be way bigger than it is now. But over time, the content that I created years and years ago, it is still getting views. And over time, I'm also getting more and more comments, more and more people who are thanking me for creating this type of content. And at the same time, this is something that I'm really proud of. And so I'm more of the slow and steady approach. And I think that works best for me. But I think it'll work better for a lot of people as well as a creator, because I'm pretty sure most of you want to do this for a much longer period than just a few years, and longer than when the YouTube algorithm changes again. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you do want to see my entire YouTube journey, the past, present, and the future, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave in the description area below or up here. For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool news at geekoutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below.